Hello children, welcome to our Vidyalakshmi YouTube channel. This is your Shaktivel Max teacher. Today we are going to see chapter number 7, integrals, exercise 7.1. See children, what is integral? What is the, let's see, then we'll go to the exercise. Integration is the inverse process of the differentiation. See, derivative you know, I'm right? Yeah, yes. So inverse process of derivative is called the integration. This is the basic thing you want to learn. What does mean by inverse process of differentiation? Which means, see, instead of differentiating a function, they are given a what is that derivative function. See, the derivative answer they will give. We have to find the original function, which is called the. They asked to find a primitive. Primitive in the sense that is called original function. Okay, such process is called the integration of the integration or a differentiation. They will be telling. Right? Fine. Children, listen. Example I will give. Then through that you will understand. For example, if they are given sine 2x in the sense, for this they are asking to find integration in the sense. What is sine derivative? You must know first. Okay. Sine derivative we know cos m, right? So that for this we have to take integral. Integral they will be mentioned like this only. Integral with respect to x. That is the meaning integral dx. Okay. Right. Now I am taking a cos 2x. When I differentiate this, what I am getting? When I differentiate this, differentiate with respect to x in the sense, what I am getting? Cos derivative sine 2x multiply that angle also you have to differentiate. 2x when you differentiate, 2 into 1. Understand? Right. So the 2 and minus, no need in a question. So these things you send opposite. So that sine 2x alone we have here. Reminder, when you send opposite, what I am getting, it will be divide. So that cos 2x divided by minus 2. Minus we should not give in denominator, na? So that you can write in a numerator itself. So minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x for a sine. So that anti-derivative or a inverse process of derivative we are telling. Am I right? So that sine integral value what na? Minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x, which means inverse process of differentiation is called the integration. This is the way to find what is that integral, which means if you are taking integral on both the side na, integral derivative will cancel because inverse process I'm right, so it will cancel. So integral sine 2x into dx we should give on both the side, so that this you will be getting as a reminder. Understand? Right? Fine. Now we'll enter into the exercise. Let's see ma. Exercise 7.1. What they are telling? Find an antiderivative. Antiderivative means integral. Okay, find the antiderivative or integral for the following functions. Method of inspection. Method of inspection in the sense we should not go directly formulas. Means we have a formulas. What is that? Sine ax into dx na. Formula what? Minus cos ax divided by a plus c. This is the formula. Directly you can use, but method of inspection in the sense with the help of derivative you have to find the integral. That is the meaning. Understand? Right. So that which you what is that differentiate, you will be getting sine. Means inverse process, right? So that you want to think carefully. Which one if you differentiate you will get sine, that you want to think. Okay. So that cos derivative minus sine. So that cos you have to take. So that let cos you have to take. Cos 2x. When you differentiate, what I am getting? Okay, what I am getting? That is my. The same example only we gave in the previous page, I hope. Right, fine. Cos derivative what? Minus sine 2x into the 2x you have to differentiate. 2 is a multiplying number. X derivative 1. That's it. What do you need in a question? Sine 2x. So that sine alone, let it be. Remaining you send opposite. So that what I am getting, we have this side derivative of cos 2x. The multiplication means 2 into 1, 2 and the minus. This all multiply things when you send opposite, it will be coming minus 1 divided by 2, which is sine 2x is the remaining. Sine 2x is the remaining. When you send opposite, it is dividing. Or else see, instead of writing here, even you can write divided by minus 2 also. Both are same meaning, not issue. Understand? Now, derivative of minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x, which is equal to sine 2x. So that now, what is antiderivative of sine 2x? What we have inside the derivative, that is our required answer. So therefore, the antiderivative of, okay, that you can write antiderivative of sine 2x. Sine 2x is this one, minus 1 by 2 cos 2x is our required answer for the first question. I hope you understand. Let's go to the second question. Second question what? Cos 3x they gave. What they gave? Cos 3x. So this is also what is the method of inspection? That you have to listen. Method of inspection in the sense what I said. Inverse process of derivative you have to use. Okay, not direct formula. Inverse process, which means what you differentiate you will be getting cos. That you want to see. Okay, what you differentiate you will be getting cos sine. We have studied already 5th chapter, 6th chapter. With help of these two chapters, you comes to know what you differentiate, you will be getting cos. Okay, sine when you differentiate, you will be getting cos. So that derivative of sine 3x, derivative of sine 3x, which is equal to what I am getting, cos 3x. Sine derivative what, my dear? Cos 3x multiply angle also you have to differentiate. Okay. Now 3 let it be because multiply number never become 0. Only addition subtraction number will become 0 when you differentiate. Okay, right. 3 let it be x derivative 1. Okay, I need in a question only cos 3x, not into 3 and all. So send opposite. So what I am getting then, derivative of sine 3x divided by multiply 3 when you send opposite, divide 3, which is equal to cos 3x. Then what is my answer? Antiderivative of cos 3x is what? Sin 3x by 3, which means you can write here, okay? Antiderivative of cos 3x is 1 by 3 into sin 3x. 1 by 3 into sin 3x. Okay, with the help of antiderivative, this is the way to find. Very easy to go. Antiderivative is very easy to go. More compared to this, even formula is little simple. Understand? Right. Let's go to the next question. That is question number 3. Even this also they gave method of inspection only. Okay, right here they have mentioned. And see children, derivative of e power ax, which is equal to e power ax into a. Even integral of e power ax, which is equal to e power ax divided by a. What is difference? What is difference between these two? Now, see, the a is multiplying with the question. The a is dividing with the question. That is the difference between what is that integral and differentiation. Right, fine. But even though the question is coming as it is, which means e power 2x, when you differentiate, what you will be getting now? Same e power 2x. Understand? So that again, same question I am taking. Derivative of e power 2x is a e power 2x. Is a e power 2x. Okay. Which is equal to, when I differentiate, what I am getting? Derivative of e power 2x, na? Same e power 2x, multiply the power also you have to differentiate. The 2x when you differentiate, 2 into x derivative 1. I need only e power 2x. You can see the question. E power 2x alone I need. I don't want this 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. Multiply 2 when you send opposite, divide. Which means derivative of e power 2x divided by 2, which is equal to e power 2x. Which means, what is antiderivative of e power 2x? What we have inside this is, that's it. Okay. So therefore, antiderivative of e power 2x is 1 by 2 into e power 2x is my required answer. Understand children? Right. Next question number 4. Next question number 4. So this is also they mentioned that method of inspection. You can notice this. And there is a square. So what you differentiate, you will get a square. Listen carefully. When we have x power 3, when you differentiate this, 3 will be coming down. Power will be 1 reduced, which means the formula what? Derivative of x power n, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Power 1 will be reduced, power will be coming down, which means 3 became 2. 3 became 2. So, what you differentiate, I am getting power 2. When I differentiate power 3, I am getting power 2. That is you want to realize. Okay. So that they gave power 2. So what you differentiate, you will get power 2. Na? Power 3, when you differentiate, you will get power 2. So the same question you take with power 3. So derivative of power 3 I am taking. Derivative of a power 3. Okay. When you differentiate power 3, then only you will get power 2. Okay. Right. Now when you differentiate, 3 will be coming down. Power 1 will be reduced, which means 3 minus 1 is 2. What formula I'm using? Derivative of x power n, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. This formula I'm using when I differentiate. Right, okay sir, we have applied power n. Then x derivative with respect to x 1, I didn't mention there. But here, this ax plus b also you have to differentiate. So that a multiply number, x derivative 1, b is a constant. That should be very important, addition constant. Addition or subtraction constant will become 0 when you differentiate. But multiply constant never became 0, it will be as it is. Okay, so addition constant will become 0. Have you understand? Right, fine. Now I need only ax plus b the whole square. Other things, whatever we have, you send opposite. Okay, right. Then what I have here, 3 into, a into 1, a into 3, 3a. What is that? Ax plus b whole power 2. I don't want this 3a. 3a you send opposite. So what I'm getting? Derivative of, what is that? Ax plus b whole power 2 whole divided by 3 times a, which is equal to ax plus b whole power 2. That's it. My final answer then what? Antiderivative of this is what? What we have inside. That is okay. So that antiderivative of ax plus b whole power 2 is, what is that? 1 by 3 times a into ax plus b whole power 2. Is that my required answer for the question number 4? Have you understand, children? I hope you understand. We'll go to next question number 5. Number 5. Yes. Sorry, just a minute. Number 5. Okay, this is also what? Method of inspection, okay? Again, but have you noticed there is 2 terms separately. So do it separate. Sign is separate and e power 3x separately. If you do, you will be getting the required. Finally, we can add. So that sine, what do you differentiate? You will be getting sine cos. So that derivative of cos. Derivative of cos 2x, which is equal to minus sine 2x. Derivative of cos what now? Minus sine. Okay. Into 2 into x derivative 1. Okay. The multiply minus 2 when you send opposite. What I am getting? Derivative of cos 2x divided by minus 2, which is equal to sine 2 times x. Okay, sine 2x. Right. Now, this is my answer for sine 2x. Let it be. This is one answer. Let it be. Okay. Now, let's take e power 3x. E power 3x. So, e power 3x. So, derivative of e power 3x. But there is a 4. Okay. There is a 4. Just we have to separate sine 2x answer. 4 times of e power 3x answer. Both we have to separate. Understand? Right. So, 4 let it be. E power 3x derivative e power 3x. Multiply and power 3x when you differentiate 3 into 1 I'm getting 3 into 1 I'm getting, but 4 times e power 3x I need here, so only 3 is extra. So 3 when you send opposite what I'm getting, so derivative of 4 times e power 3x divided by 3, which is equal to 4 times e power 3x. Don't think that 4 3s are 12. See, I need 4 times e power 3x. So 4 times e power 3x, you have to keep it as it is. Don't multiply 4 and 3 each other. Clear? Now I got this answer also. This both 1 and 2 when you subtract, you will be getting the required. Understand? So that do it. Now derivative of what is that first? Cos 2x. Cos 2x divided by minus 2, subtract of this one. What is that? Derivative of 4 by 3 e power 3x, which is equal to question now. I mean, right, left hand side is over. Now, right hand side I am subtracting. Sin 2x minus 4 times e power 3x. See, this is the question they gave. You can notice that this is the question. Now, derivative you can take commonly outside, not an issue. So, what is my then? Minus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 4 by 3 e power 3x, which is equal to This one means the question. Okay. So what is my answer then? Inside the bracket, whatever I have, that is my required answer. Okay. So therefore, antiderivative of what is that? Sine 2x minus 4 times e power 3x is, you can take minus outside, not an issue. So that minus of 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 4 by 3 e power 3x is my required answer for a fifth one. You understand, children? See here, trigonometry function and exponential function they give. So separately I have done, then I added together. Understand? Let's go to the next question. Next question, what? Question number 6. Question number 6 onwards, they didn't mention that method of inspection. We can do directly, okay? Which means we can use a formula. Whatever the formula we know, we can use, okay? Right, sixth one. See, children, what is that? Integral you can take directly or separately also you can apply. That is our wish. So first at learning stage, let's apply separately. That is better, okay? So 4 e power 3x into dx plus 1 is there, which means what I am doing, the integral I am giving for both the number, for both the term, I am giving integral separately, that's it. And integral 1 into dx, that's it. Formula you must learn, children. Formula what? Integral dx, which is equal to x plus c. Formula number 1. When we have just dx, just x you have to write, which means 1 into dx. 1 into dx. The antiderivative you can use. What you differentiate, you will get 1. X, when you differentiate with respect to x, I am getting 1. Like that, you have to identify. Okay, same manner, integral e power ax into dx, which is equal to integral, e power ax divided by a plus c. Means whatever the constant is multiplying with x, that you have to divide with the e power ax. Okay, this both the formula I am going to use here. Listen, before that constant and all, you should not keep it inside the integral. Multiply constant, that you can take outside. So 4, let it be integral e power 3x into dx plus, and this one also 1 is there. 1 you can avoid. Okay, right, fine. Now 4, let it be here. Integral e power 3x, this formula I say. Integral e power 3x divided 3. Whatever is multiplying with x, that you have to divide, which means e power 3x divided 3 is the mean. Understand? Plus integral dx, the formula is what? X. So that x plus c. See, you should not give a c for this separately. Why? Because if you are giving for first one c1, for second one c2, this both are again what? Constant. So constant you can write c, not an issue. See, children, e power c you can write c, log c you can write c, okay, 1 by c you can write c, or c square you can write c, or minus c also you can write c. Constant, whatever you have, everything you can write as a c, not an issue. Okay, right. So that there is a 2 constant here, c, but I'm writing only one constant. Only one constant, I'm not giving more. You can stop here. A little bit you can give finishing now 4 by 3 into e power 3x plus x plus c, like that. If you want to, you can write, or else leave it. Formula is very important. If you know formula, 7th chapter means integral and all, you can draw like anything. Formula you should have in your finger. Okay, that is very important. Right. Next, we are moving to question number 7. So find the integration, integrals in the exercise 6 to 20, the common Roman is given. Here, children, listen, there is a multiplication 2 term, one in outside, one in a bracket. But multiplication, if you have in the integration, we have to go, in future exercise, we can see that type of question. But here, if possible to simplify, kindly you simplify, then it will become very easy. Okay, there is no power here. No power, you can multiply inside. Very simple. Am I right? If you have anything else like more than 1, if you have anything, you cannot multiply inside. First you have to apply the power, later only you have to simplify. But here directly you can, what is the multiply, because the power is 1. Power is 1 means nothing. Okay. So you multiply the x inside, means x square. 1 into x square minus x square into 1 by x square. That let it be as it is. And common dx we have here. And you can notice that that x square we can cancel. Denominator, numerator we can cancel. Now what we have, apply the integral separate. X square into dx minus 1. 1 means we don't want to mention, okay? So 1 into dx. What is the formula I'm going to use here? What is the formula I'm going to use? So integral x power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, which means x power, whatever we have, with that 1 we have to add, the same n plus 1 we have to divide, okay? Don't forget. One more integral dx, that we know very well, that is x plus c. Just 1 into dx means x plus c. These two formula I'm going to use. These two formula I'm going to use. Now, instead of n, what we have here? 2, which means x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. I'm writing now step by step. When you go to second or third exercise, x power 3 divided by 3 directly we can apply, not an issue, okay? Minus x plus c commonly. Now, when you simplify, what is that? X power 3 divided by 3 minus x plus c. That's it. Is that our required answer for question number 7? Okay. You ought to observe. This is in multiplication. For two variables in multiplication, we don't have a formula, so that we can simplify. Like that, you should have idea. Clear? Right. We'll go to next question. That is question number 8. 8 also they gave, but yeah, 8 they gave in addition only. So don't want to simplify. Directly you can apply the integral, which means any constant, a, b, c and all constant only. Here variable, how you have to identify? Listen, they gave dx. Dx is given means only x is variable. Other things, whatever you have seen, everything you have to consider as a constant. Very important. Okay, right, fine. So there is a dx, which means x alone variable, other things is constant. Right, fine. Now a is a constant, let it be outside, and x square dx plus b also constant, then let it be outside, x into dx plus c also constant, let it be outside, just dx, integral dx. Okay, now directly, see, for everything you have to apply the formula integral x power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, means here we have a different power. Here 2, here 1, here no variable, which means integral dx, which is equal to x plus c. This formula. Only these two formula I'm going to use. Okay, right. So that a into, what is x power 2 integral 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so that x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus b into power 1. 1 means what? N value is a 1, which means 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, like that. Okay, so that 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. If you want to write directly x power 2 divided by 2, you can write. Later you can go. At learning stage, kindly you write step by step. That is better. When you go to third or fourth, because we have almost 10 exercises in this chapter. Okay, when you go third or fourth exercise, you can write directly. First 2 exercise, kindly you go step by step. That is safe for you people. Right, this is directly x plus a. Already we have cm, right? So capital C you can do, little bigger. Okay, right, fine. Now if you simplify, it's over. So this is what? 2 plus 1, 3. So a divided by 3, x power 3 plus. This is what? 1 plus 1, 2. So b divided by 2, x power 1 plus 1, 2 plus cx plus capital C. Okay, that's it. Is that our required answer? See, these things and all they will be asking only in the MCQs. I'm giving many steps, but when you after going third exercise or fourth exercise, you comes to know that will be very easy. X square integral what? X power 3 by 3. X integral what? X square by 2. C constant integral what? C x will come. That's it. Like that you will be completing in future. Okay, right. And question number 9. 9 also direct question. We'll see here. The constant you can take outside. So 2 let it be outside. X square into dx plus an exponential function they give e power x into dx. This is also direct formula. What is that? Integral x power n. First one, x power n formula equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. First one. And second one, e power x is given. E power x direct formula we have, that is e power x plus c. Suppose coefficient of x something is there, like more than 1, 2, 3 is there, you can use a. The a you have to divide here. Don't forget. Okay, right. Now what is this? 2 into x power 2 integral what? 2 plus 1, which means 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus e power x as a e power x plus c overall. That's it. Now when you add, you comes to know what is the 2 plus 1, 3. So 2 divided by 3, x power 2 plus 1 what? 3 again. e power x plus c. That's it. Is that our required answer for question number 9? I hope you understand. Let's go to question number 10. Okay. Question number 10 also same, but they given whole square. I said when we have a whole square, we must be careful, I said, because we cannot take integral directly for this, because inside both are variable. So you should apply the power first. What is in the format a minus b whole square formula? So that which will be a square b square minus 2 times ab. So instead of a here root x, instead of b we have 1 divided by root x. That's it. If you apply, you will be getting easily this. Okay, right. Integral, we will apply the formula first. So what is that? A square means root x whole square plus b square in the sense 1 divided by root x whole square minus 2 times ab. A value root x into b value 1 divided by root x, overall 1 dx we have outside. Okay, so what we can do, the whole square and root you can cancel. Like that here also square is common for both numerator and denominator. 1 square 1 only, but root x square you can cancel. And surely numerator root x, denominator root x you can cancel. Okay, then what we have remaining, let's apply. Now we have integral just x we have, and here 1 by x we have, and here minus 2 we have, overall 1 dx. That's it. When you take integral separately, it will be over. Sir, is that necessary to take integral separately? No. If you are very well in future, you can go directly. Understand? At learning stage, I am giving individually. Okay. Now see, separately I am giving integral for all the terms, whatever we have. Okay. 2 is a constant. No, you take outside into dx. So this is what, like x power 1. X power 1 formula what in integral? Integral x power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This formula I am going to use. Okay. So x power 1 in the sense x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus. This is direct formula. What formula? Log x formula. So that log of mod x minus 2 into, this is integral dx na directly x plus c. So that 2 times x plus c you will be getting. And one more formula I used, integral 1 by x into dx na, that is log mod x plus c. Okay, all these three formula I have used here. That's it, our answer is over. When you add 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2, it will be over. That's it. Okay, this is our final answer for question number 10. Okay, let's go to next question. Let's go to question number 11. Question number 11, what they gave? Question number 11, they gave a cubic polynomial in numerator, denominator 1 square polynomial. So, okay, but when we have a two terms in a division, you cannot take directly integral, right? So, what we'll do, take this single term. See, when we have a single term in denominator, it will be very easy. Suppose if it is an addition, something is there now, there is a headache. But single term is there, take the single term, apply separately for each, then you will be getting very easily. So that integral, what I am telling, take x square, apply separately. So that x cube divided by x square, like that, plus 5 times x square divided by x square, minus 4 divided by x square, overall into dx. Have you understand what I did? Just I apply the denominator separately for all. So x square you can cancel. One more thing, this is power 3, power 2. So you have to subtract 3 minus 2 now 1. So 1 will be there. So denominator x power 2 when you take the numerator, which means what is that? 1 divided by x power n. 1 divided by x power n. When you take the numerator, x power minus n. X power minus n means power will become negative. That step I'm going to use. Okay, right. Now what all we have remaining? Here we have x. Here we have x. Plus this will be just 5. When you take the numerator, 4 x power minus 2 into dx. Okay, children, see, this is I used this formula. X power, 1 by x power n. When you take the numerator, power will become negative. Don't forget, power will become negative. Understand? Right. Let's apply the integral separately. Then what I'm getting, integral x into dx. This is constant 5. Let it be outside into dx. And this is also constant 4. Integral x power minus 2 into dx overall. Right, what formula? This is like x power 1. X power 1 in the sense what? Integral x power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This formula we can use. This formula you can use. Okay, so for the first one what? X power n value is a 1 here. So that 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus here integral just x into dx na what do we sorry not x 1 which means x plus c. Okay, 1 means nothing, there is a 5 here. So integral dx na just x will be coming minus 4 into for this also I will be using the x power n formula, which means instead of n we have a minus 2. So x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 overall 1 plus c. If you simplify it will be over. That's it. So what it is called? This will become like, leave it, I'll write here. This will become x square divided by 2 and plus 5x minus 4. When you simplify this, what I'm getting? Minus 2 plus 1 na minus 1. So minus into minus plus 4 and x power minus 1 will be coming. X power minus 1 you can write divide x plus c. That's it. Overall 1 plus c you can write. Very important here. What I used here, x power minus 1 you can write as 1 by x. So that when you simplify x power minus 1 will come. That x power minus 1 you can write divide x. That's what I have mentioned in. Okay. I hope 11th one you will understand. We'll go to question number 12. Okay. Question number 12. 12 also what is that? You can notice that same, but power is power 1 by 2. The root x you can consider like power 1 by 2, right? So same manner. But x power 3 divided by x power 1 by 2. Okay. Plus 3x divided by x power 1 by 2 plus 4 divided by x power 1 by 2 into dx. That is the meaning. Okay, when you take to numerator, power will subtract with 3. The formula what? When we have x power a, x power b is there na. When you take the denominator to numerator, x power a minus b. That formula I'm going to apply. Okay, so what I'm getting, x power 3 minus power 1 by 2 when you take the numerator minus. Okay, like that 3 let it be x, already power 1 is there 1. This 1 by 2 when you take the numerator minus 1 by 2. Okay, plus 4 into this also when you take the numerator power will be negative. Okay, right, everything we have done. So we have to simplify now. Means when you take cross multiply, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1 5. So that x power 5 divided by 2 plus like that same thing here x power 1 by 2. Okay, the same manner here x power this is same. Okay, x power minus 1 by 2 as it is. So you can apply the integral separately for all. For all these things, if you apply integral separately, it will be over. Then what I'm getting? See children, this is same formula. What formula? Integral x power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this formula I'm going to use. Right, fine. Now 5 by 2 plus 1. What I'm getting? 5 by 2 plus 1. Directly I will write. Or else I will give one more step. So x power 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, n is 5 by 2. We are adding 1. The same thing we are giving in a denominator. Don't forget. And there is a 3 here. Same manner x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Same manner we have here 4. Okay. What we have? X power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 overall 1c. That's it. So when you simplify, you will be getting what is our required. So that 5 by 2 plus 1, what you will be getting? 7 by 2. Okay. So that x power 7 by 2. So denominator 7 by 2. When you bring numerator, it will be reciprocal. 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. Understand? Already we have here plus 3. Okay, let it be. And what you will be getting? X power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So that you will be getting here 3 by 2. Denominator also 1 3 by 2. When you bring to numerator, what you will be getting? 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. It will be reciprocal. 3 by 2 will be reciprocal. And 4 is there. Okay. And what is that? X power. This is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means we have to subtract. So that power 1 by 2 you will be getting. And denominator also 1 by 2. That when you take to numerator, it will be reciprocal, which means 2 divided by 1 overall 1 plus c. So what all possible to cancel, kindly do it children. Here denominator, 3 will cancel and here nothing. Okay, then we'll go. So what I'm getting then 2 divided by 7, x power 7 by 2 plus 2 x power 3 divided by 2 plus 4 2s are 8, x power 1 by 2 plus c. That's it. Is that our required answer for a question number 12? I hope you understand this. Kindly you make a note. We'll go to question number 13. Okay, right. So question number 13, what they give? Question number 13, have you noticed denominator? We have denominator when we have a single term, you can apply separately, I said. But here we have a two term, means one x, x is there and minus 1 also is there. X and minus 1 if we have, what is the idea? We have to simplify. With help of any algebraic identity, we have to simplify. Okay, let's see how to simplify. Here, from these two terms, you can take x square outside. From x cube, x square if you have taken, x will be remaining. X square fully I have taken, then minus 1. Is it okay? Next, x minus 1 only I need as it is. Okay, then don't do anything. X minus 1 will be as it is. Nothing we didn't take. If you have mentioned now, 1 you mentioned, because 1 if you 1 and anything the same, it never disturb our step. And denominator x minus 1. You can notice that in numerator, what is that? X minus 1 is common. That x minus 1 you can take outside. X minus 1 you can take outside. So that x minus 1 if I take outside, what I have remaining? X square is remaining here, plus the 1 is remaining. X minus 1 we have taken here. Whole divided by x minus 1 into dx. Again, you can cancel this. Numerator x minus 1, denominator x minus 1. If you cancel, what I'm getting, that is my answer. Okay, so x square plus 1 only we have remaining. For this, apply integral separately. X square into dx plus 1 into dx, that is dx. What formula I'm going to use? The formula which I'm going to use, integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. That's it. Next, this is first one formula. Second, directly integral dx in the sense, directly x plus c you can write. So that what we can mention, this is x square integral what? X power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, same manner integral dx is what? Just directly x plus c overall. Okay, now simplify. What I'm getting, x power 3 divided by 3 plus x plus c. That's it. Is that our required answer for a 13th one? Okay, now we'll go to question number 14. Question number 14 will go. 14 directly you can multiply. There is no power. There is no power, means power is 1. 1 never disturb our answer. Directly you can multiply. Okay, 1 never disturb. This root x you can consider like x power 1 by 2. Okay, so that what is that? X minus 1 into x power 1 by 2 into dx. So you take x power 1 by 2, you multiply inside. Like this you multiply. Okay, be careful. So that here x power 1 is meaning x power 1 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1 into x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 as it is. Children listen, base common means power you can add. The formula is what? The formula is what? X power a into x power b na. X power a plus b you can write. X power a plus b. This formula you can use. Understand? Right. Now, what is meaning? 1 and half you have to add. So that x power 1 plus half. We didn't take integral. Don't mean it. So, this is the simplification. So, 1 plus half na, we can write x power 3 by 2. Apply separately integral. Minus x power 1 by 2 into dx. Now, we have to take integral for this. So, what is the formula I'm going to use for integral? X power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, maximum I used this formula, children. Kindly make a note. Okay, so instead of n, what we have here? 3 by 2. So that what you will be getting? Integral we are applying, right? So x power 3 by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 3 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, like that, minus x power 1 by 2 minus x power 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is the n. Okay, here 1 by 2 is the n value. So apply. What I'm getting? 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 overall 1 plus c. Understand? So that let's start here. X power 1 by 3 by 2 1 when you add, which means you have to take cross multiply. So 3 2 when you take multiply 2 plus 3 5. So 5 divided by 2 you will be getting same 5 by 2 we have in denominator. When you take to numerator, it will be reciprocal, which means 2 divided by 5. Okay, minus. So x power half plus 1, 3 by 2. Same 3 by 2 we have in denominator. When you bring to numerator, it will be reciprocal, which means 2 divided by 3 plus c overall. That's it. I hope you understand question number 14. Let's go to question number 15. 15th will go. 15th also like same power 1 by 2 they gave, we have to multiply. There is no highest power. Okay, this is like power 1 by 2 children. So take each, you multiply inside. So what I'm getting, 3 we have x power 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus 2x into x power 1 by 2 plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 overall into dx. So what I did here, have you noticed x power, see root x in the sense, children listen, root x in the sense, power, x power 1 by 2 is the meaning. That x power 1 by 2, I'm multiplying with each term. Okay, I'm multiplying with each term. So what will happen then? Base common we can add, 3 you take outside, so that x power 2 plus half. What you will be getting 2 plus half? When you take 4 plus 1, 5, 5 divided by 2. Okay, so that x power 5 divided by 2 into dx. So this 2 also you take outside, integral. This is power 1. Both when you add 1 plus half, 1 plus half when you add, when you take cross multiply 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 2. So that x power 3 divided by 2 into dx plus 3 if you take outside, just x power 1 by 2 into overall dx. Okay, now what is the formula for all the 3 commonly which I am going to use? X power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula I'm going to use for all those. Okay, right, fine. Now apply. So 3 here instead of n, 5 by 2. Okay, so that x power 5 divided by 2 plus 1, same 5 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, like that 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. Understand? Same manner here n value 1 by 2. So that x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1, overall one constant plus c. Understand? Children listen pa. We have to simplify this, I said. So that 3 let it be 5 by 2 plus 1 when you simplify. 5 by, when you take cross multiply 2, 5 plus 2, 7 by 2. So that 7 by 2 when you take numerator, 2 divided by 7, but x power 7 by 2 will be there as it is. Be careful. Okay, 2 we have here, 3 by 2, 1 when you add, it will become 5 by 2. When you take to numerator, 2 divided by 5, here we have x power, what is that? 5 divided by 2 plus. Same manner here, 3 into r plus 1, what you will be getting? 3 by 2. When you take to numerator, 2 divided by 3, but x power 3 by 2, you will be getting overall 1 plus c. That's it. We have to whatever, suppose anything possible to cancel, you can cancel. This 3 is cancel. 3 is cancel. You can do it, and remaining you can write as it is. Okay. So what it is then? 2 3s are 6 by 7. 6 by 7. X power 7 by 2 as it is. Plus 2 2s are 4. 4 by 5. And x power what we have? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus. Like that, just 2 here. 2 into x power 3 by 2 overall 1 plus c. That's it. Is that required answer for question number 15? Okay. Let's go to next question. Sixteenth one will go, ma. So 16th one. So this is cos. Okay. Right. What is that? 2 integral will give separately. 2 is a constant. Let it be outside. And x into dx minus 3 cos x into dx plus integral e power x into dx. So they have shuffled all algebraic function, trigonometric function and exponential function. All the 3 they gave. You must know the formula, children. So integral x power n into dx na x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, 1 for the algebraic. And integral cos x into dx in the sense, what is that? Sin x plus c. Okay. Next, integral e power ax, sorry, or just x, which is equal to e power x plus c. So these 3 formula, if you know, this we can complete within a step. Okay. A step you can complete. So 2 into x power 1 is the meaning. So 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 and minus 3 into cos integral, what is that? Sine. Okay, sine x plus e power x integral e power x overall c. So that we can cancel this 2 cancel. Then what is my answer? X square minus 3 sine x plus e power x plus c. That's it. Overall, we got an answer for a 16th one. Just 3 steps we applied. If you want to do even, you can do in single step also. That is our wish. Okay, right, fine. Children, listen next. 17th one. 17th one. Here also they gave algebraic, trigonometric and even algebraic again. So we'll do 2, let it be outside because multiplication constant I said that should be outside. Clear? And x square into dx minus 3 sin x into dx plus 5 into integral the root x. Root x you can write x power 1 by 2 because root x we don't have formula directly. Okay, so that x power 1 by 2 into dx. For the last and first one, what formula? Again x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This formula. And the middle one is sine. Okay, so integral sine x into dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. These two formula I'm going to use here. Okay, right. 2 into, so n value 2. So what you will be getting? X power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 3 into sine integral what? Minus cos I mentioned. Minus cos. Okay, plus 5 into, here n value 1 by 2, first formula. Okay, so that x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 overall 1 plus c. That's it. If we simplify, it will be over. Okay, which means here we have a 2 x power 3 divided by 3, that you can write 2 by 3. Okay, minus into minus plus 3 cos x and here plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. When you take the numerator, it will be 2 divided by 3, but x power 3 by 2 will be as it is, plus c. You can leave it, or else this together you can write 10 by 3. That's it. Is that our required answer for a 17th one? Okay. Now we'll go to question number 18. Next, and this is fully they gave like a trigonometrical function. Have you noticed it? So what all formula we have here? Separately now we have, but they gave in a multiplication. So what do you do? Better you multiply. Anything is there in a integration. I mean, in the integral, two functions, either algebraic or trigonometric. Exponential to exponential is there now. Better you multiply. That is the safe. So when I multiply, what I am getting? Secant into secant square x plus secant into tan into dx. Right, fine. So then what is the formula for this? So integral secant square into dx, which is equal to directly tan x plus c. Okay, and like that this also integral secant x into tan x, which is what is the dx equal to secant x plus c. That's it. Children, the formula, if you are clear, very easily you can go, my dear. Very easily you can go. Very important formula you should have. Formula if you have, very easily you can complete. So that secant square integral directly, if you want to apply separately, you apply into dx plus like that secant x into tan x into dx. So for this direct formula, I have mentioned tan x. So that what will be? Tan x you have to write plus secant x into tan x integral what? Just secant x plus c. Is that our required answer for a question number 18th one? Okay. Now we'll go to question number 19. So question number 19 they give. Here two trigonometric function they gave in a division. That is also you have to simplify, then only very easily it will go. Right, fine. First of all, secant square. Before that secant x you can write like 1 by cos x. Okay, 1 by cos x. Like that cosecant, how we can write? Cosecant x is equal to 1 by sin x. Okay, when you divide this both, what will happen? So that when you divide both, 1 by cos it will be here. Sin, when you take the numerator, it will be reciprocal. So that sin by cos tan x you will be getting. Same manner, but there is a square here. If you apply square, it will be square. Square, square. So square, square. So square. Tan square you will be getting. What you will be getting, my dear? Tan square x into dx. That is you want to realize. Is that we have a formula for tan square? No. We don't have a formula for integral directly tan square. Okay. So that you have to simplify this. So children, we know that secant square x minus 1 equal to tan square x, trigonometric identity, which we have studied in 11th standard as well as in 10th also. So this formula is important here because tan square integral we don't have directly, right? Fine. So that I am applying here integral. What is that? Secant square x minus 1 into dx. Now apply integral separately. Integral secant square x into dx minus 1 into dx. So integral secant square formula. Now only I gave what I gave. Integral secant square x into dx is equal to, I said, tan x plus c. Okay. And integral dx, directly you can write x plus c. This two formula, if you know, easily you can complete this. So that this is what? Tan x minus x plus c. That's it. Is that our required answer for question number 19? I hope you understand. We'll go to next question number 20. Okay, question number 20. Also, this is fully like a trigonometry function, children. So we have to try to simplify this. What I said, if denominator term is 1 in the sense, give it separately for both. So that 2 divided by cos square x minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. What I did here, what I did, denominator I gave for both the term. Okay, then 1 by cos in the sense secant. Even square if you have also secant square. Here we have a square, so 2 you can take outside. Integral 1 by cos square we can write secant square. Okay, right, minus into dx you give. This is one term separately, and 3 let it be outside. There is a cos square. Cos square you can write twice, right? So that what we have, sin x divided by cos square is there. This we can write that sin x divided by 1 cos. But denominator square is there. Then one more cos is there. Cos into cos only cos square. So that sin by cos we can write tan. And 1 by cos we can write secant. This I am going to use here. Tan into secant or secant into tan. So that secant into tan, we have a direct formula. In the integral. Okay, this one we know directly what formula I said. I said the formula. Have you remember? I said integral. What is that? Secant square x into dx is equal to tan x plus c. Direct formula. Like that integral. What is that? Secant x into tan x dx is equal to secant x formula. Direct formula. This formula, children. Formula, if you have, very easily you can complete these things. Formula you must know. So this is what then? Tan x minus 3 into this one will become. That's it. Question number 20 also over. I hope you understand this. We'll go to question number 21. Question number 21, there is a MCQ actually. They gave antiderivative. Antiderivative means we know directly what it is. Integral. Okay. Directly we can take integral. Don't want to go like, they didn't mention anything. Even this is MCQ. Direct, whatever the step you can apply it. Okay. Right. Then what is that? Integral root x. Root x means x power 1 by 2. Okay. Into dx plus denominator. When you take the numerator, power 1 by 2 will be coming into dx. That's it. Directly you can take. So this is formula. What is that? X power n into dx, which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is I'm going to use. Right. So that x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x power minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Understand? Now simplify, children. So that x power 3 by 2, when you take denominator 3 by 2 to the numerator, 2 by 3 it will be reciprocal. Okay. Same manner plus denominator you will be getting 1 by 2 when you take the numerator 2 by 1 and x power 1 by 2 plus c. Where you have this 2 by 3 here, 1 by 3 level, 2 by 3 here we have, okay, 2 by 3, x power 3 by 2, then wrong, 3 by 2, yes, this, 3 by 2 over, because 2 by 3 we need, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 2 by 1, 2, okay, x power, then option C is our required answer, okay, Option C is our required answer for the 21st question. Understand? Right. Then we'll go to question number 22nd. This is last question from this exercise. We'll complete ma. So what they gave here, derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x equal to something they gave, and such that f of 2 equal to 0 it seems. They asked to find what is f of x. What is f of x? Right, fine. Derivative of f of x, which is equal to 4 times x cube minus 3 divided by x power 4. When you take to numerator, what it will be? 3x power minus 4. See children, here derivative of f of x. The beginning of the exercise I said very clearly, integration means in reverse process of the derivative I said. So when we have a derivative, if we take integral on both the side, the derivative will cancel. So apply integral on both the side. Apply integral on both the side so that it will cancel. When you apply the derivative and the integral will cancel, so directly you will be getting f of x, which is equal to 4, let it be, integral x cube minus 3 into dx minus 3 into x power minus 4 into dx. Now apply, my dear. So this is 4 into, here what I am using, x power n formula, you know, okay. So 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 4 minus 3 into, here minus 4 plus 1 power, what formula I said, x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. We have to add 1. Whatever the power, we should add 1. Okay. So power is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 you will be getting. So that x power minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. So that you can cancel this one. Which one? The 3 you can cancel. 3. Denominator 3, numerator 3 you can cancel. Here also 4 you cancel. Then what we have remaining? X power 4 minus into minus plus x power minus 3. Children, x power minus n you can write 1 divided by x power n. The power negative, if you want to bring in a positive, you should write 1 by. Okay. So that x power minus 3, I'm writing 1 divided by x power plus 3 plus c. This is my f of x. Check the option where we have x power 4, x power 1 by 3. Constant is given. Right, fine. This let it be then 1. This let it be then 1. So you should apply the constant term. For this f of 2 equal to 0, they give one more condition. So that 1 implies, in 1 I'm going to apply instead of x 2. Okay. F of 2 when you apply, what I'm getting? 2 power 4 plus 1 divided by 2 power 3 plus c. F of 2 what they said? 0. F of 2 what they said, my dear? 0 they said. Then 0 is equal to 2 power 4, which means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4, then 16 plus 2 power 3 in the sense these together. Then 4 2s are 8, means 1 by 8 plus c. Okay. Take cross multiply. 16 8s are. So what I am getting? 0. 6 8s are, what is that? 6 8s are 48, remaining 4. 8 plus 4 na 128 plus 1 divided by 8 plus c. When you add 129, when you bring opposite, minus 129 divided by 8 equal to c. This is our c value. So take c, apply in answer number 1. Okay, let me erase this formula. So what I am getting, my final answer, the 1 implies f of x, which is equal to, here we have x power 4, 1 divided by x power 3, c value what? Minus 129 divided by 8. Is that my required? Where we have this x power 4 plus 1 by x power 3 minus, this is a, okay, yeah. Option A, 129 divided by 8. Option A is our required answer. Children, I hope you understand the 7.1, because maximum people, they will be feeling difficulty in the, what is the calculus topic. So I hope whatever the possible I have given. So if you want the more videos from chapter number 7 or calculus, kindly follow our channel. Thank you, children. Take care. See you. Bye. Later.